So here we are. Another year, another charter on the Fury. So here we are. We're just waiting to board. And that's a pretty light load.
I know you can be mayor, president.
Hopefully. Hopefully the fishing's good. And there she is, the Fury. They're loading up right now.
Waiting for this for a year.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Well, cool. We'll get you guys loaded up by about 8:30. 8:30. Get you guys.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Thanks, Captain.
Hey, Captain.
Yep.
Captain of the Fury.
Yeah.
All right, loading up. It's almost 9 o'clock. And we're loading up. Getting our bunks down here.
Good for him.
Got your bunk?
Ah.
Right?
Apparently.
And oh, look at that moon. Moon's kind of fucking cool. That moon's kind of cool, isn't it?
Are we all waiting? No, we're just bullshitting.
Nice. And these fucking guys right here. Wait, what did you have?
I had just a little
Mouthwash? Or was it some weird Italian drink?
No. Not what it was called.
Oh, that was McLovin in the house till.
We have the moon out for us here.
It is.
Yeah, full moon's beautiful.
Can you
Yeah.
see it there?
Yes.
Looks like a melon.
Some bait. So we just got done with our briefing, our boat briefing, and we're still loading bait. And the briefing was a clusterfuck, but it has to be expected. Everybody has gone to bed, except me, of course. So we're finally on the scene here. We've been motoring since 9 o'clock last night. It's 4:35 in the morning. That looks like maybe another fishing boat there. Hunting for the fish and having breakfast. I haven't recorded anything because I don't have a mount for the camera, but we have several yellowtail on board, several sheephead, and I got a decent sheephead, but I think my trophy for today is going to be a nice halibut, which I haven't had in a while. It's probably been 10 years since I caught the last halibut, so that's always a bonus. It's not the jackpot fish, of course, because Tom, one of my buddies, Tom, that guy right there, he had a big ass yellowtail. So I'm guessing that's going to be the jackpot. What's up, bud? Anyways, we're moving to a different spot.
I got style, I got class.
Sorry, watch out.
I ain't got no ass or fish.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Like a
whoa.
big fucking bully.
You got fish on?
Tom's a bully.
The fish on?
I think that's his last name, Tom Bully. Last time he had a rock, he thought he had a fish.
You on the bottom, Tom?
I don't know.
You got a monster.
Bird shit rock.
Let's see.
18 and a half? Yeah.
Nice.
18 and a half.
Good boy right
Lumbering is on. Nice fish, girl. Beautiful. seems like it's dropped off considerably. No more yellows to be found. Did get a lot of nice sheephead, whitefish, huge ass sheephead, like gigantic. I got a nice halibut, which is all good. We caught lots of kelp today, huh?
Yeah, sure did.
McLovin nailed some good fish.
Careful, hold on.
What's up, bud? Oh, it's starting to get a couple sheephead up now again. Night, if I want any shit out of you, we'll squeeze your head.
I'm on kelp.
You got kelp? Yeah, I caught some more kelp. Kelp's quite abundant. Kelp salad. What do you think it is, man?
It's probably a
fish? It's probably a fish, huh?
Whitefish. Something good. Something from the ocean.
Yeah.
Are you scared right now?
Whitefish.
Oh, that's kind of racist. He's not completely white. He's white and brown and yeah. Nice. We're having salads. All these guys, we found some of these guys swimming north from the south border.
What? It's basically a bunch of assholes eating together.
Steaks, a bunch of assholes eating together. And and we're just gonna wait for our steak, and then we're gonna go get some squid, and we're gonna try and hit this again. All right, perfect. So we're getting ready to make some squid here. So you're gonna put that light into the water, and then scoop them up when they come to the surface, if they come to the surface. Dinner tonight is steak, garlic butter bread, mashed potatoes, zucchini, and I'm eating outside because I have my line in the water. We're jigging them in. And there you have it. Fucking squid on a jig. Squid jiggy.
You don't want to move that rod in yourself.
Well, that's about it, guys. It's like 4 something. We're back in. We're all fucking tired and sore. We're all ready to go home. Good times.